Hi guys, hope you can hear me. The fountain on the island. All the little fountains round and about. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay guys, yeah, across the road there, sign shop there, signs, whatever you want. You even get the chemist one there. Where are we, Marcus?
Underneath the Europa.
Underneath the Europa. Can't get it. Supermarket there. And a few bars down this way. See the bars open again. We haven't done this for a while, so. The place here still not open. Showroom. How much this you can see, guys. It's a bit empty in there, Marcus. Volvo garage. Garage, is that the right word?
Yeah,
I think there's another word for it, but yeah, car sales. They're right there. A lovely thing to be out on in the sunshine. Where we go, Marcus?
that way if you want. What time now?
We're going to walk down this road. No idea what this one's called. There's a couple of bars up here. Well, it was. And that's one. A bit out of the way if you haven't got locals. The other one looks pretty abandoned. All those bars were open last time we were down here. Just trying to find something to film now. Right, what's this hotel here?
Flamingo Beach Resort.
Flamingo Beach Hotel. I thought we were up by there. It's basically a block. Looks a nice hotel, this one. Is that part of the hotel, Marcus?
No,
That as well?
that's
I
just
think,
apartment blocks.
yeah, I think that's
the hotel.
just an apartment block there, as Marcus just said. There it is there. Looks a nice place, this one. Had a few good reports about it. It's, which I was surprised because it's a bit out of the way. Up the back a little bit, but yeah. There it is, guys. I think the reception's in that way, is it? Or the other side, Marcus. Reception's over there, guys. Really trips there inside. I should imagine the pool area is just up there. Used to be people up there. Looks like it's scooter friendly. You need a mobility scooter. Flamingo Beach, guys. Not to be confused with the Flamingo Oasis. Not the same people, I don't think. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.